Welcome to my YouTube channel CarHunt, where machines meet power and nations showcase pride. Today, we turn our focus to a bold contender from the skies of Africa, South Africa's 2026 fighter jet fleet, led by the legendary Atlas Cheetah and an evolving family of homegrown unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. In a world dominated by fifth-generation jets and stealth warfare, South Africa has taken a unique path. Instead of plunging into high-cost programs, the nation has refined its legacy systems and innovated in smart ways. At the heart of its aerial force is the Atlas Cheetah, a veteran jet with roots in the French Mirage 3, but reborn through South African engineering. While many consider it a relic of the past, in 2026, this aircraft remains a symbol of African ingenuity. From the outside, the Cheetah's silhouette is unmistakable: sleek delta wings, aggressive air intakes, and a profile built for high-speed interception. In 2026, the Cheetah has undergone advanced electronic upgrades, giving it new teeth, modern radar, electronic warfare systems, and a new helmet-mounted display system to enhance pilot performance. These upgrades don't just keep it relevant, they make it formidable in regional air defense. Inside the cockpit, legacy buttons have been replaced with digital displays. The once analog fighter now runs on a hybrid glass cockpit interface, compatible with modern avionics. It may not rival the F-35 in stealth, but it doesn't need to. The Atlas Cheetah is now more nimble, more aware, and still blisteringly fast, flying at Mach 2 speeds when called upon. But the real story of 2026 is South Africa's investment in indigenous drone technology. Local defense innovators like Denel Dynamics have produced powerful UAVs like the Seeker 400, capable of surveillance, target tracking, and even precision strikes. These drones extend South Africa's air power without risking pilot lives, a move that aligns with modern warfare trends. In performance, the Cheetah UAV combo provides South Africa with flexible response options: manned intercept missions, autonomous surveillance patrols, and even coordinated air operations. It's not about dominance, it's about smart defense. It's about sovereignty. As for safety, these jets and UAVs now benefit from robust fail-safe systems and updated ejection seats, along with redundant communications to ensure control under pressure. Their operations are monitored through a secure national command system designed for African terrains and geopolitical realities. In 2026, South Africa's air force may not be the most advanced, but it is one of the smartest. A fleet that understands its strengths, maximizes its assets, and prepares for tomorrow without overspending. The Atlas Cheetah still roars, and now it flies alongside silent eyes in the sky. Thanks for watching CarHunt. If you believe in stories of innovation, resilience, and smart power, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The sky isn't always ruled by